Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see the Cloud PubSub demo. In this demo, we are going to perform basic tasks in PubSub by using the Google Cloud Console. First, we are going to create a topic. Second, adding a subscription. Third, publishing a message to the topic. Finally, we are going to pulling the message from the subscription. So, which we are going to do in this lab today. So Google PubSub, it is a fully managed real-time messaging service that allows us to send and receive messages between independent applications. Let's go to that Google Cloud dashboard. Go to the Google Cloud dashboard. It's a navigation menu. So go to that big data. Under the big data, we have the Cloud PubSub. So just click the PubSub. We are going to perform basic task in PubSub by using the Google Cloud Console. We are going to use the Google Cloud Console. So first we are going to create a topic. First click create topic. Click create topic. So a topic forwards messages from publisher to the subscribers. Now we have to give the topic ID. I am giving my topic. In the topic ID field, we need to provide a unique topic name. I am giving my topic. My topic, just I have given here the name. Just we need to click create a topic. That's it. We have created a PubSub topic right now. It is creating now. Let's wait for it, friends. It is creating now. Let's wait for it. It is creating now. Let's wait for it. Next, we are going to add a subscription. The new topic and new subscription, okay, has been successfully created. New topic has been added successfully. Now we have added the new topic. You can see my topic. This is our topic name. To add a subscription to the topic we just created, just click this create subscription. Just we need to click the subscription here, create a subscription. We need to click three dots. After that, click create subscription. Now it came the page. We should fill this page. Yes, subscription directs messages on your topic to subscribers. Messages can be pushed to subscribers immediately, or subscribers can pull messages as needed. Subscription name, project ID and subscription. We need to give the subscription ID. I am giving the subscription ID as my sub. We need to type a name for the subscription. I have given my sub. Then delivery type I am selecting as pull. Remaining I'm not going to touch anything. Just I'm going to click create right now. The subscription has been added successfully right now. Let's wait for it. We have done the two steps. First we have created the topic. Next we have created the subscriptions. Let's wait for it. Subscription successfully added right now. Third step, we are going to publish a message to the topic. To publish a message to the topic, in the overflow menu for the topic you just created, we have to click the publish message. Okay, so we need to go to the topic. Just click the topics. Just click the topics. Here we need to click the my topic ID. Just click the topic ID. Here we need to click the publish message. So click publish message, and here just scroll down message body. The message you want to publish to the topic, either message or attribute will occur to publish. So in this message we can type whatever message we can. So I am giving in the message field like welcome to my channel learning GCP. Just I am giving this message GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Okay, next we need to click publish. It is publishing right now. Message is published. Next step, we need to pull the message from the subscription. So how to do that? In the Cloud Console, go to the PubSub subscription page, click the subscription ID. In the subscription ID, click the subscription detail page and click view message, and click the view message, and here we should click pull. We should click pull. Click pull. Welcome to my channel Learning GCP. It came now. Welcome to my channel Learning GCP. It came now, right now, friends. You can see here. Now we have done the lab today. Welcome to my channel. It came now. The message came now. Finally, we need to remove everything. We need to delete to avoid incurring charges to our Google Cloud account for the resources which we have used in this demo. So welcome to my channel, channel Learning GCP. I forgot to tell one thing, friends. Have you noticed or not? I don't know. When we create the topic, automatically subscription also created default. So this my topic hyphen sub, it was created by me. Sorry, my sub, first one, my sub, it was created by me. My topic hyphen sub, it was created default. Okay, my topic hyphen sub, it was created default. You can see. So let's create one more time, then only you can see. This is already 2 subscription has added already. Now I am going to create one more topic. My topic, just I am giving small letter only. My topic name, just click create topic. Create topic. Automatically subscription will be added to this topic automatically. You can see after creating this topic, if you are going to the subscription page, and 3 topics will be added. So already 2 is added, one more it will add. You can see the name, friends. So now it is creating the topic. Let's wait for it. You can see the message, your new topic and new subscription has been successfully created. You can see, friends, my topic 1 hyphen sub, it was default, it is created default. Okay, so in our previous, I mean first I have noticed this one, but anyway you have also noticed the same. I think a new topic and new subscription has been successfully created. In our Google documentation, they have given how to create the topics and how to create the subscription also. This is for training purpose, I have done it, but default, when we are creating the topic, the subscription will be added. Now I am deleting the subscription. So just select the this subscription and delete the subscription. And we should select the topics also. We should delete the topics also to avoid the incurring charges to our Google Cloud account for the resources. Just type delete, confirm deletion by typing the delete. Just delete this topic. This operation is performing right now. Let's wait for it. We have successfully deleted the topics. We have successfully deleted the subscriptions also. Next we have to check in the dashboard also. Go to the home page. Here under the resources you can see whether anything we have created or not. Under the resources you can see, friends, to avoid incurring the charges. We have successfully done the lab today. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, you can subscribe my YouTube channel so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud platform. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.